Hello people, and welcome. So many people have a lot of questions regarding how to get pregnant. Taking care of your body is an excellent place to start when it comes to improving your fertility. But what more can they do to increase their chances of becoming parents? In this video, we're going to take a look at the top 10 tips to get pregnant faster. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button to stay connected. Now let's get into it. Number 1. Observe ovulation. Women with regular cycles ovulate roughly 2 weeks before their periods arrive. Ovulation is more difficult to predict in women who have irregular cycles, but it normally happens 12 to 16 days before her next period. According to a study, the lengths of menstrual cycles vary greatly, and the time and duration of ovulation alter during a person's lifespan. Because of this unpredictability, it is essential to track ovulation to determine when a person is most likely to conceive. Women can utilize a variety of methods to determine their most fertile days each month. Ovulation prediction kits for use at home can help to eliminate the guesswork involved in determining when a woman is ovulating. The kits, which are available in drug shops, test urine for luteinizing hormone, a hormone whose levels rise every month during ovulation and induce the ovaries to release an egg. According to the American Pregnancy Association, the 3 days following a positive test result are the optimal period for couples to have intercourse in order to enhance their chances of becoming pregnant. Another way to predict ovulation is to track cervical mucus, which entails a woman checking the volume and look of mucus in her vaginal area on a regular basis. According to the March of Dimes, a non-profit organization, the amount of mucus increases just before ovulation, when a woman is most fertile, and it gets thinner, cleaner, and more slippery. Cervical mucus that becomes more slippery can aid sperm in reaching the egg. Women who tested their cervical mucus on a regular basis were 2.3 times more likely to get pregnant faster during a 6-month period, according to a study. Number 2. Frequency of menstrual cycle record. A woman who wishes to have a baby should keep track of whether the beginning days of her cycles occur at the same time each month, which is termed regular. Her periods, on the other hand, may be erratic, with cycle durations varying from month to month. By keeping track of this information on a calendar, a woman can better forecast when she will be ovulating, or when her ovaries will release an egg once a month. There are some apps that can assist with tracking as well. According to the American Pregnancy Association, a woman's egg is fertile for only 12 to 24 hours after it is released. A man's sperm, on the other hand, can survive in a woman's body for up to 5 days. Number 3. During the fertile window, have sex every other day. According to the American Society for Reproductive Medicine, the fertile window is a 6-day period that includes the 5 days leading up to ovulation and the day of ovulation. These are the days of the month when a woman is most fertile. Should a woman have sex every day once she's found her reproductive window? According to Pavone, there was no significant difference in pregnancy rates between couples who had sex every day during the fertile window, 37%, and couples who did it every other day, 33%, during the fertile window. And having sex every other day may be more manageable for a couple, she noted. There are numerous pregnancy myths and urban legends about conception. According to Pavone, there is no proof that a couple's sex position affects their chances of having a baby, nor that a woman sleeping on her back for a specific amount of time after intercourse increases her chances of conceiving. However, because some water-based vaginal lubricants can inhibit sperm migration, Pavone suggests using pre-seed instead of Astroglide or KY jelly when lubrication is required. Number 4. Work to achieve a healthy body weight. The weight of a woman can also affect her ability to conceive. Being overweight or underweight can lower your chances. According to Pavone, research has revealed that a woman who is overweight can take twice as long to become pregnant as a woman with a BMI of normal weight. According to her, a woman who is underweight may take 4 times as long to conceive. According to the Cleveland Clinic, having too much body fat produces excess estrogen, which might interfere with ovulation. According to a 2017 study, couples who were both very fat, with BMIs of at least 35, took 55% to 59% longer to become pregnant than couples who were not obese, according to the researchers in the journal Human Reproduction. Researchers looked at data from more than 50,000 couples in China trying to conceive over the course of a year in a study published in the journal PLOS One in 2020. and discovered that women's ability to conceive within a particular timeframe dropped as their BMI climbed. Scientists stated in the journal Andrologia in 2020 that male obesity, which can impair the male endocrine system as well as sperm viability and concentration, can also hinder a couple's ability to become pregnant. According to the University of Wisconsin Hospitals and Clinics Authority, women who are underweight and have a BMI of less than the 18th of may not have regular periods or may stop ovulating, making it difficult for them to become pregnant. Number 5. Prenatal vitamin prior to birth. Women who are trying to conceive should start taking a prenatal vitamin even before they become pregnant, according to Pavone. This manner, she explained, a woman can choose one that is more pleasing to her system and stick with it throughout her pregnancy. Another option is to take a daily multivitamin that contains at least 400 micrograms, mcg, of folic acid, a B vitamin vital for preventing birth malformations in the brain and spine of a newborn, according to Pavone. To help avoid birth defects, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention recommends that women take 400 micrograms of folic acid every day for at least 1 month before becoming pregnant. Because the neural tube develops into the brain and spine 3 to 4 weeks after conception, before many women realize they're pregnant, getting a head start on folic acid supplements is a smart idea. Number 6. Eat nutritious foods. Although there is no specific pregnancy diet, research has shown that eating a range of healthful foods can help a woman's body prepare for pregnancy by providing her with adequate stocks of vital nutrients such as calcium, protein, and iron. This entails consuming a wide variety of fruits and vegetables, as well as lean protein, complete grains, dairy, and healthy fats. A woman can acquire folic acid through meals including dark green leafy vegetables, broccoli, fortified breads and cereals, beans, citrus fruits, and orange juice in addition to taking a folic acid supplement. Reduce your intake of high-mercury fish including swordfish, shark, king mackerel, and tilefish while attempting to conceive. According to the Mayo Clinic, mercury can build up in a pregnant woman's system, affecting the development of her kid. To avoid exposure to this harmful metal, the Food and Drug Administration recommends limiting albacore, white, tuna consumption to 6 ounces, 170 grams per week. Mercury exposure may potentially affect men's and women's fertility, according to a 2019 study. Furthermore, some research suggests that caffeine should be avoided by pregnant women. Although health officials in the United States, Europe, and the United Kingdom have stated that a woman consuming 200 milligrams of caffeine, less than 2 cups of coffee, will have no effect on her baby. A review study published in BMJ Evidence-Based Medicine in 2020 found that there is no safe level of caffeine consumption for pregnant women or those trying to conceive. Number 7. Clamp down on extreme workouts. Being physically active most days of the week can help a woman's body prepare for pregnancy and labor. But getting too much exercise or doing frequent strenuous workouts could interfere with ovulation, scientists say. Doctors see a lot of menstrual disturbances in women who exercise heavily. Number 8. Be aware of fertility declines as you get older. Women's fertility declines as they grow older. This is due to ovaries that have changed with age, resulting in a decrease in the amount and quality of her eggs. As you become older, you're more likely to develop health issues including uterine fibroids, endometriosis, and fallopian tube blockage, all of which can lead to a loss of fertility. Women's fertility declines gradually starting in their 30s, becomes more pronounced around age 37, and becomes steep after age 40, according to Pavone. As a result of these decreases, it may take longer to conceive. Number 9. Quit your smoking and drinking addictions. Smoking can lead to fertility problems in both women and men. Smoking ages a woman's ovaries and depletes her supply of eggs prematurely. Marijuana and other recreational drug use should also be avoided while trying to conceive. Drinking alcohol at moderate or heavy levels can make it difficult for a woman to get pregnant. Number 10. Know when to seek assistance. Both the woman and the man should consider having an infertility evaluation if the woman is 35 or older and has not become pregnant after 6 months of having sex regularly without using birth control, says Dr. Pavone. If a woman who is under 35 and her partner hasn't had unprotected sex for a year, she should consult a fertility specialist. Hope you find this video helpful. Please like and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notifications of our upcoming videos. Remember, There is no surefire way of ensuring a speedy conception. However, by following the science and evidence of these tips, it can help you find the most optimal times to have sex and get pregnant. This video is for informational purposes only, and is not meant to offer medical advice. Always get medical guidance when dealing with this type of information, as this advice is general and you may require specialized treatment.